Okay, so you want to turn on the performance mode on the Fortnite game, or you want to disable it? Actually, this is very simple. This option can help you to get more FPS on the game if you don't have a good PC. So the first option you have to go to the icon on the right side of your screen, and then you have to go to options, and in the first section, video section, you have to go to renderization mode, and you have to change it from DirectX 11 to performance. So you apply this option and you will have to reload the game, so this will be applied. So as you can see, you will get a lower video quality on your game, but you will be able to play at higher FPS. So if this video helped you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell on the subscription button. See you in the next Easy Way video, and goodbye.